What is up, everyone? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, I had been hiding something that it's been on the works for a couple months, and finally I'm able to. I mean, it's a little cloudy, but hopefully it doesn't rain. But I'm going to be installing a set of taillights that are modified RGB on the BRZ. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Shout out to Jesus, who let me be at his crib and do this work, since I am at my mother-in-law's house, in-law's house right now. So let's see what's up. All right, so first things first, we're gonna remove the wheel, the replacement wheel. We're gonna remove the panel. Oh, here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips, same side on this. You're gonna remove, I believe they're OEM 8, size 8 bolts. Washers, bolts, however you want to call them. And then you're gonna remove the old one, and we went ahead and put the new one. Then you're gonna have to remove this, what is the actual plug for the F1 light, because we also have to remove that F1 light, because I also got an F1 light. So right now, currently, I'm going underneath the car, and I'm going to remove. There is one clip here, and there's one clip here, and then there's, I believe there's 2 screws on top right here. Yep, 2 bolts. I think they're like 2 8 or 10 bolts, and then this clip right here that somehow is broken. But yeah, so let's continue with this. Oh, this is huge.
So it's bigger.
No, there's a small, a lot smaller. Look, this is a little. Wait,
A little bit bigger?
Yeah.
Let's try the 11.
So, unfortunately, because this is an old car, when you have really old car,
Silicone.
when you try to remove the bolts, you are unable to, and it just cracks and breaks. So now I am here. My connection has been stuck, and I'll show you guys when I go on. Give me 1 second. So as you can see here now, I have these broken pieces inside the bolts, because the bolts are super rusted, and I have to somehow get it out. That's fun. But I know I use Subaru, they say it'll be fun, they say, right? Right, so as you can see here, we can't nothing is easy, so I have to run this through underneath panel. Thank you, Jesus. And then once this is under, there we go. Now we can continue and then pull that through the back. It's gonna be a tight fit for the cable though. I can already feel it. I gotta pull it more, the most I can. We're gonna put this here. And then I guess we have to go to the back, I guess, right? Let's see. Oh, I gotta get 3 clips. 1 clip, 2 clips. What is going on with this crap? There we go. I mean, I broke it, but so, okay, oh well. This is gonna be a drift car anyways at some point. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to do some magic. Let's just, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Here, Jesus, can you do me so? Can you lift this here? Actually, never mind. I got it. I got it. That's it. Whew. Now, bring it back, though. Jesus, bring it back. Come here, this way. So I didn't show you guys, but so I had to remove this bolt in order for me to run it. Now, have to somehow fix it back and put the bolt back. There you go. So we'll sit back. I also had to remove this. So as you can see, you have to remove this part, the plastic, the rubber, and because this one sits in between, and then that way you can run the cable right there. Now that this is here, we are able to put back the pieces, which are this one and that one. There you go. Back into one piece. Now, Jesus was able to run it, have it come here, which is now at the right location. Now we're gonna be able to connect all the panels, which we have, if I'm not mistaken, this is the Bluetooth panel that connects to your car, to your phone. Then we have the second cable that goes to the second taillight unit. And then we have the one that comes down to the F1 light. So let's start. After half an hour with Jesus discussing what's the right setup and whatnot, right? Am I right?
That's right.
We were able to finally get them to light up. I mean, you kind of see it, but you can clearly see it here. And then here too. Jesus, you want to go throw in the reverse? And there's your reverse. All lights turn white. So that's right. So what we had to do was we had to run the cable through the side of the car, in through the back. And in the back, we were able to plug everything that comes with, which, by the way, shout out to Mike Jin. He has done my STI lights. If you have followed me for a while, you know that he did my STI lights and they look amazing. I have not had a chance to take a really full HD video of it yet with the second pass because he modified them once again and made them even cooler. But so he has done these lights as well. So as you can see, I have hazard lights, a stop, green light. Obviously I have to go into the application and modify, but yeah, like, I mean, he does an outstanding job. So if you ever want to have something done in customization of lights, just hit him up. Mike Jin, Facebook, MG Industries. I'm probably gonna put his information on the box, so just hit him up. But yeah, I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna tuck everything in and then just wrap it up and I can show you guys what's up. Hey guys, so we were finally able to finish this up. The water is coming down a little bit, but I'm hoping that it's not gonna be any issues. But check this out. Mike Jean came through one more time. This looks so good. I am so happy, super excited. So now it's just back to, like, this is the wiring that I did. I wired it, I'm trying to tuck it in, put it back all into. But I just remember that I forgot to install my reverse light last time, so I'm gonna have to just remove the piece that comes in through and then be able to run the cable through again, so that way I can finish it up. So hopefully I have a backup camera by the end of the day. That's another thing I've been wanting to do, so let's go. So we finally wrapped up. Sorry about the appearance, but it's pretty hot and we were working on, so this is the end result. The lights look really nice, and we were able also to plug in the camera. So the camera now needs to be adjusted, but yeah, that's where we are. Thank you guys if you made it to this point. I'm gonna try to take some pictures later on with the lights done and the underglow and stuff, but till that point, I'll see you guys in a little bit in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and peace out.